Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. We may know numbers power 5, the last digits will be the same as the numbers, such as 2 power 5 equal to 32. Both of them, last digit is 2. You may find same result from each number power 5, like 3 power 5, 7 power 5. In this video, let's discuss why the number power 5, the last digit is the same. Keep watching the video to know the interesting finding. At first, let's check some last digit numbers. We know 1 power 5 equal to 1, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 power 5 equal to 32. Last digit is 2. 3 power 5 equal to 243. Last digit is 3. 4 power 5 equal to 1024. Last digit is 4. Okay, then let's define n power 5 and n. N is a positive integers. The last digit of n power 5 is n if it is true. Then it means n power 5 minus n, the last digit is 0. I'm going to do is that to prove n power 5 minus n with the factor 10. Okay, if n is the even numbers, n power 5 is an even numbers. Then n power 5 minus n is an even numbers. If n is an odd numbers, n power 5 is an odd number too. Then n power 5 minus n is an even numbers. That means 2 is a factor for n power 5 minus n. We assume n power 5 minus n with the factor 10 equal to 2 times 5. So we need to prove n power 5 minus n with the factor 5. List the last digits from 1 to to A90. While 5 is the centers, let it as 5k, k is positive integers. Then 6 is 5k plus 1, 7 as 5k plus 2, and 4 as 5k minus 1, 3 as 5k minus 2. Same idea for 0 is the center as 5k, 8, 9 as 5k minus 2, and 5k minus 1. 1, 2 as 5k plus 1, and 5k plus 2. We don't need to prove 5k, the last digits with 5 and 0. Then we put 5k minus 1 and 5k plus 1 as one group, 5k minus 2 and 5k plus 2 as another group. Okay, while n equal to 5k plus 1, substitute n by 5k plus 1 to n power 5 minus n, factorize as quantity 5k plus 1 time bracket quantity 5k plus 1 power 4 minus 1 bracket. Quantity 5k plus 1 power 4 equal to quantity 5k plus 1 square times quantity 5k plus 1 square. Develop quantity 5k plus 1 square equal to 25k square plus 10k plus 1. Then treat 25k squares plus 10k as one items plus 1 as the other items. Develop these two same quantity, 25k square plus 10k plus 1. Then we can get the result as quantity 5k plus 1 time bracket quantity 25k square plus 10k multiplies quantity ... Then the last item plus 1 and the minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. the factor 25k plus 10k. Phi is the factor. Means n power phi minus n with factor phi. For n equal to 5k minus 1, same operations as n equal to 5k plus 1. Finally, treat 25k squared minus 10k as one item, then develop it, simplify it as quantity 5k minus 1 time bracket quantity 25k squared minus 10k multiplies quantity plus 1 minus 1. Again, plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So 25k squared minus 10k with the factor phi. Same result as n equal to 5k plus 1. While n equal to 5k plus minus 2, substitute the item to n power phi minus n, factors 5k plus minus 2, then develop quantity 5k plus minus 2 squared as 25k squared plus minus 20k plus 4. Treat 25k squared plus minus 20k as one item, then develop these two quantities, 25k squared plus minus 20k plus 4. We get quantity 5k plus minus 2 time bracket quantity 25k squared plus minus 20k multiplies quantity plus 16 minus 1 bracket. 16 minus 1 equal to 15 with factor phi. 25k squared plus minus 20k also with factor phi. We prove n power phi minus n, no matter which numbers it is divisible by 10. Then n power phi, the last digit of the numbers is n. Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.